Hi everyone, welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to customize bullet styles in our Word application. Customize the bullet style means personalize the design of our bullet list. Word allows us to format bullet styles in different ways like using different symbols and applying different font colors. In this document, I want to apply a bullet style for my list, which is not inside my bullet library. So the first step is I will select the entire list. I'm using Control A to select the list. Make use of this bullet drop down button. Since I need a different bullet style, which is not in the bullet library, we go for the option define new bullet. Then I choose this symbol option. From the symbols, I am picking a different one. And I'm selecting from this drop down list. I pick a bullet style. Okay. Now to give a different color, we choose this font button, selecting a font color from the drop down list. Okay. So that you can see we applied a different bullet style which was not in the bullet library with a different font color. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.